you must meet the traditional standard. That means that my father must have crossed the Rubicon and gone to the great beyond. Offer the government. But more is our knowledge. That one, you go more money.
But one man of his ratio here, because that's not going up by other. We want to recognize Prince and Princess Ebubedike. Prince and Princess Ebubedike, please, we want you to go to the high table. Prince, please give them a big round of applause. You can see how big and massive the man is. So I want him to get an applause that is comparable to the size. Please clap for him as he goes to the high table. You're welcome, sir. As they go to the high table, I want to recognize the presence of Mrs. Oba, and ask her to go to the high table, please. Mrs. Oba, Prince and Princess Emeka Orolese. Prince Orolese, please, can you go to the high table? We want to recognize the presence of Mrs. Mowa and ask her to go to the high table. Mrs. Mowa, clap for her please as she stands up. And also Mrs. Gina Oria. Mrs. Gina Oria. Mrs. Gina. There are some gentlemen who are already seated at that table. People may be wondering who they are. They need to be introduced because they are the people who make sure that the welfare and the progress of the Igbos in the UK is sustained. They are the mouthpiece of the Igbos in the UK. They are the custodian of our culture. And they are the link between us Igbos in the UK and the Igbos in Nigeria. They are representing an umbrella organization of all Igbos in the UK, the Council of Igbo Communities in the UK. So we are very privileged to have them in our midst today. And I want to introduce them so that we all will see them and know them in case you have a case. Because sometimes there is always a need to go to such people. The first person I want to recognize is the leader of the council. He is the leader of the Council of Igbo Communities in the UK. His name is Chief Christian Onora. Chief Onora, please. Your worship. The next person I want to recognize is the deputy leader of the Council Council of Igbo Communities, and he's also the president of Abia State Union. He is a gentleman who does not joke with anything Igbo. If you play with anything Igbo negatively, he's always ready to fight physically. And his name is Chief Uchechukwu Dike. The next person, if you look at him, he looks young. Of course, he's a young man. But he's the kind you say, the young man you see is the secretary of the Council of Igbo Communities in the UK. Not only that he is the secretary, he is also the deputy secretary of Igbo World Assembly. It is an Igbo organization made up of all nations in the world. He is the deputy secretary general. And his name is Mazi Afam Anawanda. Okay. We are about to round up, but we can't do that without recognizing some people who must be given great honor. And the first among them are our elders. Our elders, they are the people who make sure Ihiala Community Association is together and there is oneness. And because of that togetherness, the association could be said to be the most progressive association of Nigerian descent in the UK. There is no getting about that. Ihiala Community Association is the strongest, the most united, and the most pragmatic association of Igbos in the UK. And let's come on, a round of applause for Ihiala Community. It's not a joke, it's not easy. So we want to recognize our elders. And the first one of them is Chief Ojinaka Ezudeni. One. Chief Ojinaka. People Chief Wadotara. However, the big armor. Oh, Chief Ojinaka. One day, they have a community. Gave us today. He is one of the founding members of the association. And we have been a key member of the association since then till today. And you are welcome, sir. It's so cool. The next elder we want to recognize is Chief and Mrs. Ruben Emelone. Chief and Mrs. Emelone. Chief Emelone? Okay. How the car do I go where we are in my idea? Chief Emelone, we want to be on the floor and walk. The chief wants to recognize yourself. Okay. Before, we still want to recognize Chief Charles Ozotan to come to the high table, please. Charles. Are you comfortable here? Okay. Thank you, Chief. I want to recognize a gentleman who is only